Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about Vitavix. So when you open their website, it looks good. It has GIF here. It will show you how to will help you with apnea, and it's $40 almost. When we check the website more, there is doctor talk about it, but I don't think they are real doctors here. And when we go search it in Amazon, we go to reviews in Amazon, and in Amazon is also cheaper. And when you go to reviews in Amazon, so as you can see, it's cheaply made. It didn't work for me. It has bad reviews on Amazon. So when we go to scam detector, it's below average score, and scam advisor an average score here. And when you go to Trustpilot, it has mixed reviews. So, guys, for me, when we see all of these reviews, what I need to do, maybe try one from Amazon because it's cheaper. Try one, and if you did like it, then you can buy more. But if you didn't like it, don't buy more from it. Okay, guys. Thank you and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.